Hi everyone, I am Sayus Damodaran, an Indian naval veteran and an entrepreneur for the last 6 years. 4 challenges every aspiring candidate faces while preparing for defense entrance exams and SSB interview. 1. Lack of information at appropriate time. 2. Information overload, which leads to incorrect learning. 3. Inadequate insight into SSB interview procedures. 4. Improper guidance or mentorship. As a result of all these challenges, you end up losing chances, time, effort, and then you start blaming yourself and the entire selection system. If you are among those who are facing these challenges, I want you to click the link below right now to register for our upcoming 4 hours eye-opener live webinar called Defense Aspirants Breakthrough Webinar, where we will give you the insights into 1. Various officers' entry into Indian Armed Forces and paramilitary forces. 2. Insights into SSB interview. 3. Why Nidus Academy and how it will transform you. 4. Why mind learning is important for achieving success. So, click onto the link and get registered to secure a seat for the Defense Aspirants Breakthrough Webinar scheduled on 3rd April 2022. Hope to see you there. Jai Hind.